Have you ever wondered if there's something more to your unique feelings and experiences? Perhaps you've felt out of step with those around you or sensed that your path is meant to be different. You're not alone, and this exploration might just reveal some exciting truths about you. So let's uncover the signs that you might be what some call a chosen one, and more importantly, how to appreciate and utilize these aspects of yourself to lead a fulfilling life. Recognizing one's uniqueness is the first step towards understanding how you stand out from the crowd. This isn't about boasting superior traits, but acknowledging that your perceptions, feelings, and reactions might be different from those commonly experienced or accepted by the majority. Uniqueness can manifest in various ways. Perhaps you find deep meaning in events where others see coincidence, or you're moved by artistic expressions that others might overlook. Maybe your thoughts often drift to pondering life's larger questions, or you feel a strong pull towards unconventional choices. The recognition of these traits is crucial. It's about acknowledging that these are not mere quirks, but potentially powerful aspects of your persona. For many, this realization comes as a relief, and it provides a framework to understand why they might feel intense emotions more deeply than others, or why certain abstract concepts fascinate them. If these descriptions resonate with you, it could be an indication that your path is one less traveled, rich with potential for profound personal growth and understanding. Being different is not without its challenges. These can range from mild feelings of isolation to more intense experiences of alienation. When you don't fit the standard mold, it can sometimes lead to misunderstandings with peers, creating a sense of separation or loneliness. And this is particularly pronounced in environments that prioritize conformity over individuality. The real challenge often lies within how you view and accept yourself amidst these differences. Self-doubt can creep in when your perspectives or reactions don't align with the broader societal norms. The journey here is internal, focusing on how you reconcile these feelings of being an outlier with your self-perception and self-worth. It's essential to approach these challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. Each moment of misunderstanding or feeling of isolation can be a stepping stone to stronger self-awareness and resilience. Recognizing that being different can be a strength requires a shift in perspective, a shift that allows you to see your unique traits not as sources of weakness, but as reservoirs of untapped potential. By framing your uniqueness as a positive force, you set the stage for personal development that aligns with who you truly are, rather than who the world expects you to be. This perspective is empowering. It transforms the narrative from one of struggle to one of empowerment and possibility, opening up avenues for personal and perhaps even communal transformation. Once you recognize and begin to understand the depth of your unique traits, the next step is to fully accept and value these differences. Acceptance is pivotal. It's about affirming your distinct nature and seeing your differences as assets, not hindrances. This acceptance nurtures a sense of self-worth that is independent of external validation, and it allows you to appreciate your uniqueness without needing others to understand or approve of it. How can you cultivate this acceptance? Begin by regularly acknowledging your unique qualities. You might keep a journal where you record moments when your unique perspective brings you insight or satisfaction. Practicing mindfulness can also be beneficial. Through mindfulness, you can observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment, learning to value them as integral parts of who you are. This practice helps solidify your acceptance of your uniqueness as a natural and valuable part of your life. With acceptance in place, it's time to harness these unique traits in practical ways. Utilizing your distinct qualities can lead to personal satisfaction and can often translate into contributions to your group field of interest. The key here is to actively engage with your abilities and find outlets that resonate with your unique characteristics. One effective approach is to set goals that align with your unique traits. If you find deep meaning in interpersonal connections, consider roles or projects that allow you to work closely with others. If your uniqueness lies in creativity, seek out or create opportunities to express and develop this skill, perhaps through writing, art, or design. Another practical step is to educate yourself about fields and interests that draw on your unique traits. Online courses, books, and workshops can provide valuable skills and knowledge that empower you to make the most of your unique abilities. This not only enhances your skills, but also boosts your confidence in your unique qualities. Consistently applying your distinct traits in daily life not only maximizes your potential, but also reinforces your sense of self. It creates a positive feedback loop where accepting your uniqueness leads to personal growth, which in turn strengthens your commitment to your unique path. Finding and connecting with like-minded individuals is another vital step in fully valuing and utilizing your unique qualities. When you surround yourself with people who share similar traits or appreciate your differences, you create an environment where you can thrive without conforming. This network can provide support, stimulate your creativity, and offer new perspectives that resonate with your own experiences. The mindset with which you approach your uniqueness can significantly influence how effectively you leverage it. Adopting a positive, growth-oriented mindset helps transform challenges associated with being different into opportunities for personal and professional development. It's about viewing each experience, whether good or bad, as a chance to learn and grow. Cultivating this mindset involves practicing gratitude for your unique qualities and the unique paths they have led you on. It requires a commitment to seeing beyond immediate setbacks and focusing on the long-term benefits of staying true to yourself. Regular reflection can be helpful here, allowing you to reassess your thoughts and feelings about your differences, ensuring they align with your goals and values. By maintaining a positive mindset, you not only enhance your own well-being, but also set a foundation for continued growth and success. This mindset becomes a powerful tool, turning potential obstacles into stepping stones and fostering resilience against societal pressures to conform. To maintain and grow the benefits of accepting your uniqueness, incorporating specific tools into your daily routine can be extremely helpful. These tools are designed to keep you aligned with your true self and support your journey of self-acceptance and utilization of your unique traits. Consider the practice of journaling. Writing down your thoughts and experiences can help you process your feelings and track your growth over time. This reflection is crucial for recognizing the progress you've made and understanding the areas where you still wish to grow. Another valuable tool is meditation, and this practice can help you cultivate a deeper awareness of your thoughts and emotions, allowing you to stay centered and calm regardless of external circumstances. Meditation provides the mental clarity needed to make decisions that reflect your true self. Creative expression is an excellent way to explore and express your uniqueness, whether through art, music, writing, or any other form of creative activity. This expression can be both therapeutic and empowering. It allows you to communicate your inner world in ways that words alone cannot. Accepting your uniqueness does more than just enhance personal growth. It can also significantly impact those around you. By living authentically, you set a powerful example for others on the importance of accepting their individuality. This can inspire friends, family, and colleagues to explore and value their own unique traits. The impact extends beyond immediate social circles. Unique individuals often bring novel solutions to complex problems, challenge the status quo, and push boundaries in various fields. Whether in arts, sciences, business, or social change, the contributions of those who have harnessed their distinct qualities can alter industries and influence cultural developments. While we wrap up our video of accepting uniqueness, remember that the journey is as significant as the destination. Recognizing, accepting, and utilizing your unique traits is an ongoing process that can lead to a fulfilling and impactful life. The steps outlined, understanding your uniqueness, connecting with like-minded individuals, adopting a positive mindset, and using daily tools for personal growth, are not sequential, but rather iterative. They are practices to revisit as you continue to grow and evolve. Your path, marked by your unique traits, is not just about personal success, but also about making a difference in the world in ways only you can. By staying true to yourself, you forge a life that is not only genuine, but also deeply rewarding. Remember, the world needs what only you can offer. Keep moving forward, keep shining in your unique way, and watch as the world opens up in response to your authenticity. Thank you for joining this journey today. Here's to celebrating every aspect of your unique self and leveraging it to not just live, but thrive. Keep accepting your uniqueness and let it guide you to extraordinary places.